many new faces I didn't know last week, all of my DMs. Labels wanted my soul, IDs, A&R's tryna be friends. I ain't finna sign no shit to my team. Get pampered up, nighted up, boiled up. Bitch, you better hope that budget big enough to spoil us. Fuck with us, make it pop and fuck with us. Close to those who never had a chance to be the chosen ones. Who would've thought we'd make it this far? Now I get to stay to get off for winning. But when my life ends, it won't mean nothing. Nothing but more overconsumption. My fucking windows tinted, 155 inside of 55, that's how we living. I'm blowing out inside a whip, I know the pics is different. License is suspended, God ain't giving no repentance for the way I'm sinning. Got no patience for no greedy sons of bitches. And when I'm at the top, I ain't gon' show you no forgiveness, that ain't how I'm feeling. Suck it up, toughen up, pucker up. Toast to all the souls who never got close to being the chosen ones. Got my shooter, aiming right at your medulla. Saw me like Hoover, back is in